If your garden struggles to bloom during the scorching summer months, you're not alone. The good news is there are stunning flowers that don't just survive the heat, they thrive in it. Today, I'm sharing the best summer flowers that will keep your garden bursting with color all season long. Whether you're dealing with relentless sun, dry conditions, or occasional neglect, these flowers have your back. Let's dive in. Lantana. Lantana is a summer warrior with vibrant, multicolored blooms that attract butterflies and hummingbirds. It's one of those resilient plants that don't mind a little neglect. Just keep in mind that in warmer regions, lantana can be invasive, so consider planting it in containers. Gaillardia. Also known as the Sundance, Gaillardia's daisy-like blooms are a summer staple. With shades of red, yellow, and orange, this cheerful perennial adds a bright pop of color to any garden. Plus, it's incredibly low maintenance, thriving in both heat and poor soil conditions. Coneflower. Coneflower is a reliable perennial that never disappoints. With its daisy-like flowers in shades of pink, purple, and white, it blooms endlessly throughout summer. It's also a favorite among pollinators, bringing bees and butterflies to your garden. Black-eyed Susan. Black-eyed Susan is a garden classic with sunny yellow petals and a dark chocolate brown center. This flower thrives in full sun and pairs beautifully with other summer blooms, making it a must-have for vibrant summer landscapes. Verbena. Verbena's spiky stems and clusters of bright blooms make it a standout in any garden. Regular trimming will encourage more blooms, and if you're lucky, it might even flower into the fall. Marigold. Marigold's bold yellow, orange, and red hues light up garden beds and borders. Known for being a hardy annual, it's also great at repelling garden pests, making it as practical as it is beautiful. Zinnia. Zinnias are the queens of color with their long-lasting cheerful blooms in shades of pink, red, orange, yellow, and white. These hardy annuals are perfect for cutting gardens and thrive in the summer heat. Salvia. Salvia's tall, colorful spikes are impossible to miss. From deep blue to vivid red, these flowers attract hummingbirds and other pollinators, while adding height and texture to your garden beds. Gazania. Gazania's vivid blooms are a butterfly magnet, and they love soaking up the sun. Just make sure they get plenty of bright light, and they'll reward you with continuous color all summer long. Ready to transform your garden with non-stop summer blooms? Make sure to give these resilient flowers a try, and let me know your favorites in the comments. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks.